my first stripper wig vibe. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I'm reviewing this wig I got from Wavymy hair. This is a stripper vibe. I think it's the color that's giving me stripper, but this style is actually very cute. I've never had a short look before, and honestly, I didn't know what to do with my little sideburns. Like, I can't tuck them in. They're too long. I got the Ashantis. They're not going nowhere. But, other than that, I really like the wig. If you guys want to see what comes with this wig, how the packaging is as well, please continue to watch. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Bye. Okay, so let's get right into it. Your box will come like this. Inside your box, you'll get a little baggie with a cosmetic sponge inside. Also, you get a wig cap and a little business tag as well that says Wavymy. And inside, you get your wig. Oh, and also you get this cute little face mask. Oh, this is a cute little bedazzled face mask that you get too. Yeah, so I like that a lot. Well, let's get into this wig, y'all. So straight out of the package, it looks like this. You guys can see the color really well. So this is what the scalp looks like. Inside you have the wig cap here, and you have 4 combs in the middle, 2 on each side and 1 on the bottom with adjustable straps. I'm just gonna try this on real quick. Y'all, I'm a little nervous. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm a little nervous. Okay, I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this, but what I'm gonna do right now is just fast forward me installing this, and I'm just gonna try to finesse it, and then I'll come back at the end and we can talk about it, okay? Okay, you guys, so I'm all done now. This is what I got. I decided to go in with my deep waver and just deep wave this side just to give it this little cute little messy look. And honestly, I really like it. Like, this is giving me my first stripper wig vibe for real. I really like it. Let me see if I can show you guys the back. I really didn't do nothing with the back, so like I don't know what it looks like. Okay, but this is what it looks like in the back. I just put mousse in it to define the waves a little bit more. But yes, this is the wig from Wavymy. I really love it. It's super cute. I even put my my big ridiculous ass hoops on because I just felt like it was fitting. But yes, thank you so much for coming to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, and follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram so you can participate in all of my giveaways, question answers, and everything I got going on there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.